Welcome. If you're tired of your phone buzzing every time you get a new follower on Instagram, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to disable vibration for new follower notifications on Instagram using your phone's settings. This updated method is simple and takes just a few minutes to complete, so let's get started. First, unlock your phone and head straight to your device's main settings menu. This is where you'll find all the controls for your apps and notifications. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on the option labeled Apps. This section lists every app installed on your device. Next, find and tap on Instagram from the list. If you have a lot of apps, you can use the search bar at the top to quickly locate Instagram. Once you've tapped on Instagram, you'll see a menu with several options related to the app's settings and permissions. Now, tap on Notifications. This is where you can customize how Instagram alerts you about different activities, including new followers. Inside the Notifications menu, look for notification categories. This option lets you fine-tune specific types of notifications within Instagram. Scroll through the categories until you find the one labeled New Followers. Tap on this option to access its notification settings. Here, you'll see a toggle for Vibrate. If this switch is turned on, your phone will vibrate every time you get a new follower. To stop the vibration, simply toggle this option off, and that's it. You've successfully disabled vibration for new follower notifications on Instagram. Now you'll still get notified when someone follows you, but your phone will stay silent and won't buzz in your pocket. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on managing your social media notifications and making your phone work better for you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.